Have you ever felt like your tiny apartment is just too cramped and cluttered? Like there's no way to fit everything you need and still have room to breathe? Well, you're not alone. Living in a small space can be challenging, but with the right tips and tricks, you can transform your apartment into a functional and stylish haven. In today's video, we're diving into some genius space-saving ideas that will make your tiny apartment feel much bigger. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional furniture, we've got you covered. And if you stick around until the end, we'll share a bonus tip that will completely change the way you think about small space living. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Vertical storage solutions. One of the best ways to make the most out of a small apartment is to think vertically. Have you considered all that empty space above your head? It's a goldmine for storage. Installing shelves and wall-mounted cabinets can free up valuable floor space and keep your belongings organized. Tall bookcases are another great option. They draw the eye upward, making your room feel more spacious while providing ample storage for books, decor, and other essentials. Don't forget about vertical organizers for smaller items. They're perfect for keeping everything from kitchen utensils to toiletries neat and accessible. By utilizing vertical storage, you can create a more open and airier feel in your apartment. Next up, let's talk about multifunctional furniture. In a small space, every piece of furniture should earn its keep. Think about items that serve more than one purpose. A sofa bed, for instance, provides a comfortable seating area during the day and transforms into a cozy bed at night. Fold-out desks can be tucked away when not in use, saving precious space. Storage ottomans are another fantastic example. They can be used as seating, a footrest, and a place to store blankets or magazines. These pieces not only help you save space, but also add flexibility to your living arrangements. Embracing multifunctional furniture can dramatically enhance the functionality of your tiny apartment. Tip 3. Under-bed storage. Have you ever thought about the space under your bed? It's often overlooked but can be incredibly useful. Invest in storage bins or drawers that can slide easily under your bed to keep seasonal clothes, shoes, or extra linens neatly out of sight. For even more space, consider using bed risers to elevate your bed and create more room for storage. Vacuum-sealed bags are another great option for underbed storage. They compress bulky items like blankets and winter coats, saving even more space. By making the most of the area under your bed, you can declutter your room and keep things organized. Tip 4. Maximize closet space. Closets can quickly become cluttered, but with a few smart strategies, you can maximize every inch. Start by using closet organizers such as hanging shelves and shoe racks to keep your items in order. Adding hooks and over-the-door organizers can create additional storage for accessories, bags, and other small items. Don't forget to declutter regularly and rotate your clothes seasonally. This way, you're only storing what you need and love, which frees up space for everything to have its place. A well-organized closet can make a huge difference in maintaining a tidy and functional living space. Tip 5. Utilize corners and nooks. Corners and nooks are often wasted spaces in small apartments. But with a little creativity, you can turn these areas into functional parts of your home. Consider installing corner shelves to display books or decorative items. A corner desk can create a compact but efficient workspace. L-shaped furniture can also make the most of awkward corners, providing seating or storage without taking up too much space. By utilizing these often overlooked areas, you can add functionality and style to your apartment without sacrificing valuable floor space. Tip 6. Opt for light colors and mirrors color, and light play a significant role in how spacious a room feels. Light colors, such as whites, pastels, and light grays, can make a room feel bigger and more open. Dark colors, on the other hand, tend to make spaces feel smaller and more enclosed. Mirrors are another powerful tool in creating the illusion of space. Strategically place mirrors to reflect light and views, making the room appear larger and brighter. This simple trick can have a dramatic impact on the perception of space in your tiny apartment. Tip 7. Smart kitchen solutions. Kitchens in small apartments often lack sufficient storage, but smart solutions can make a big difference. Use magnetic strips to hold knives and utensils, freeing up drawer space. Pull-out pantry shelves maximize cabinet space and make it easier to access items in the back. Hanging pot racks can keep your cookware within reach while saving cabinet space. Consider using collapsible and stackable kitchenware that can be easily stored when not in use. These small changes can significantly improve the functionality of your kitchen. Tip 8. Hidden storage. Hidden storage is a clever way to keep your apartment tidy without adding extra furniture. Look for pieces with hidden compartments, like coffee tables or benches with storage underneath. Use storage behind doors or inside hollow furniture to keep clutter out of sight. For example, you can hide storage baskets behind a curtain or use a hollow ottoman to store blankets and pillows. By incorporating hidden storage, you can maintain a clean and organized look while maximizing your space. To recap, we've shared some fantastic tips for transforming your tiny apartment into a spacious and organized haven. From vertical storage solutions and multifunctional furniture to utilizing corners and opting for light colors, these strategies can help you make the most of your small space. Remember to try out these ideas and see how they can work for you. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. And as promised, here's a bonus tip. Consider using furniture with built-in storage, like a bed frame with drawers or a coffee table with hidden compartments. These pieces can provide extra storage without sacrificing style. See you in the next video.